Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can transfer money from DCU to Bank of America. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply gotta go ahead first download or have mobile banking app on your phone. Simply go ahead, open it up. Now as soon as you open app, tap on username, add in your username, add in your password, tap on sign in and get logged into the app. Then as soon as you do that, from the home tab, go ahead, tap on this option of move money tab. Then simply have to tap on this option of transfer money. Simply have to then afterwards select the account you want to transfer from, which account of yours, and the to account that will be the Bank of America account. Then enter the amount you want to transfer. Afterwards, choose the transfer type. You will have option of one time or automatic. Automatic will simply have continuous transfer, or one time will be just one time transfer. Then right afterwards, simply select the transfer date if you would prefer. Then add in the transfer and add a memo. Simply review the transfer details, including the from to accounts and the money, and add a memo if you would prefer. That's not a mandatory, add the memo part. Then tap submit and your processing will start for it to be sent. And once the transaction is done, you will receive a notification regarding it. So that's how easy it is for you to be doing so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.